So we've got basically brand new urban styled Defender 110 D350 that's come into us to have a few little upgrades and one major upgrade, which is the one that I want to really talk about today. So obviously this started life out as a commercial Defender. It's had the full seat conversion, but when it obviously came for the customer to have it, it didn't have the proper rear window upgrade switches and the front panel. Now there are companies out there that just add switches in the back and just do a permanent live feed. That personally is not the proper way to do it. The proper way to do it is to do it as it would be as factory specification. The issue with just wiring a switch to a permanent feed is that obviously it's permanent all the time, so those windows then are literally live all the time to be accessed. But also if you have children in the back and then you leave your vehicle, then they can still open the windows and there's no child lock safety activated neither. So we do it properly here at Defender Retrofit. So we fit a whole brand new original specification door panel here. So now you've got proper rear window there. We also activate the full child lock facility on here, so also the windows can't be put up and down as well, because you need that as a proper security, because if they're wired the other way other companies do, then that could be a safety issue. So fit a whole new panel here. We then fit original switches into the existing commercial door card, and then we fully change a lot of the wiring within the door, so it's all manufacturer spec as it would be if it had original rear windows. And then this is properly coded with the proper JLR software, so there's no issues in terms of obviously for warranty or anything else. So as you can see here, windows properly going up and down as they should. So this is the same both sides with automatic uplift. You've also got, obviously from this panel here, we can then obviously do the windows properly up and down, and obviously you can just see on the other side as well, and it goes up properly with the motion. So you just click and then everything will go up. So this is just as it would be if you'd bought a non-commercial factory Defender. So if you would like this proper upgrade for Windows activation and installation on your latest Defender that's had a commercial spec upgrade and obviously had the rear seat conversion, obviously as you see, windows and everything, it's all finished off as it should be in here, then please get in touch at Defender Retrofit, so we can do a proper upgrade for your Defender that it actually deserves.